Botch. Verb. To perform a task in an unacceptable or incompetent manner, to make a mess of something. A botched haircut seems to take forever to grow out. Botch. Verb. To do something without skill, without care, or clumsily. Botch. Verb. To repair or mend clumsily. Botch. Noun. An action, job, or task that has been performed very badly, a ruined, defective, or clumsy piece of work. Botch. Noun. A patch put on, or a part of a garment patched or mended in a clumsy manner. Botch. Noun. A mistake that is very stupid or embarrassing. Botch. Noun. A messy, disorderly or confusing combination, conglomeration, hodgepodge. Botch. Noun. A case or outbreak of boils or sores. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.